Photosynthesis microorganism. Biological fermentation. Water is obtained by decomposing plant or animal waste through a fermentation process in an area state until it becomes a solution containing both organic matter, plant hormones, and nutrients that stimulate through or accelerate flower growth and effect. It also helps prevent and eliminate insects or should add a prevent organic fermentation. Of biological fermentation is that there are microbes that decompose food in the cell. For plants, therefore, if so, lacks a lot of perfection. Even if there are many microbes, it is usually because there is no food source to digest.
Crack the eggs into a mixing bowl. Crush the egg cell and put them in a mixing container and stir. Add 1 tablespoon of MSG.
Put 1 tablespoon of cheese paste. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and stir the ingredients together. Pour the mixture into the water and stir with a spatula. Add synthetic leavening and stir with a spatula.
When finished, divide into butter and close the lid.
Hang in the sun for about 7 days. After that, the photosynthesized microorganisms
method of drain is mixed with water and used to water the plant.